This question says, an object oscillates on a spring. What will probably be the object's final position? Is it what we see in A, B, or C? So the object initially begins with a compressed spring. Because the spring is compressed and because of the weight of the object, we see that the object translates downwards and the spring extends. Now, because of inertia, this will not stop at the spring's mean position. It will instead continue further translating down and seeing the spring extend along with it. The spring will eventually extend to some maximum position, which is a function of the spring itself as well as the weight of the object. And then we will see the object return towards its initial position and the spring will compress. And this will oscillate back and forth under gravity such that the amplitude or the extent to which that the spring is compressing and extending will decrease until it settles on its mean position. So we're asked to choose whether A, B, or C reflects that mean position. Well, we said this first frame here, the starting position, is where the spring is compressed, and that's what we see in A. So A is not likely to be the object's final position. This is a compressed position of the spring. In C, likewise, this is also not likely to be the object's final position. It's not the compressed state of the spring, but it's essentially the opposite. This is the fully extended state of the spring. Now, in B, we see this intermediate case, and this is indeed most likely to be the object's final position. This is what reflects the spring's mean position. So with the weight, with the object at the end of the spring, there will be some extension that will occur as a function of the weight of the object pulling down on the spring. Now again, this object will oscillate back and forth, compressing and extending until it settles on this mean position. So for this reason, the correct answer is B.